Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect phone to TV. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. First thing you need to do is to head over here to your settings. Make sure that your Wi-Fi on this settings has been connected on the Wi-Fi that you will use on your TV, and make sure that your TV is a smart TV as well. Once you have made sure that they're on the same network, head over right here to this connection and sharing, and you can see in here some more things. You can also just scroll down. It actually differs on the phone that you have. So you can head over and search for the screencast right here in order to see the actual screencast option or screen mirroring option in here. So if you can't find it, maybe it goes another way like mirror or cast right there. So if you can see it on mirror, you can try cast. And you can see in here this cast options. So head over and click on this cast options and then just make sure that it is turned on. You can also head over right here to your control center until you can see the cast option from in there as well. So you can head over and cast your actual device through the TV through this way. You can also head over and install third-party casting options like Miracast. You can search right here for a Google Play Store, and you can see in here a lot of screen mirroring options, so just install one of them and you should be able to connect your phone to your TV using code with the same Wi-Fi network. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.